Hello, I am Dhruv Gohil, joined Fuzen as an intern. I have developed a project management application using Fuzen's no-code platform that streamlines project workflows, enhances team collaboration, and improves overall efficiency. In this project management application, there are total four modules or components. First, project management; second, task management; third, resource management; and fourth, reports. The first page is the dashboard page. In this dashboard page, there is a bar chart representing projects according to their values. And the second is the recent tasks that are available. The second page is the projects page. In this projects page, all the available projects are shown. We can also add a new project by clicking this add new project button. Here are some of the fields that are required to create a new project, such as first is project number, project name. I am giving the project name as a rock paper scissor game. Project start date, project end date, project priority, project manager, the value of the project, the description for the project. Now save it. The project has been added here. It is shown here. We can also view the details of the project by clicking this view button. The details of the projects are shown here, such as the name of the project, description of the project, start date, end date, priority, manager, and the value. Also, the tasks are shown here, the tasks that are available. We can also add a new task for the project. Here are some of the fields that are required for the task. First is the task name, the type of the task, priority of the task, and the duration of the task, planned start date for the task, planned end, who is the task owner, project, which project this task belongs to, rock paper scissors game, status of the task that is pending. If there are any remarks, we can list here at task. The task is added here in the task page. In this task page, there is three modes in which we can view the task. First is the list, in which all the tasks are shown here with all the details. The second is the Kanban mode. In this Kanban mode, the tasks are shown according to the status of the task. There are three sections: pending, in progress, and completed. The front end for game which we had created is added in pending section, as we had selected the status as pending. The third is the calendar. In calendar, all the tasks are shown according to the date. That is the start date and the end date. For front end for game task, it is starting date is 26th and the end date is 1st. We can also change the details of the task by clicking on it. All the details of the task are shown here. We can also enter the actual start and actual end of the date if there is any change of dates in the task. Status of the task can be also be changed here. I will change it to in progress. If any remarks are there, we can list here. Save it. The details are saved, and in the task page, it will be changed. Here also, the status first it was in pending, now it is in progress. In Kanban mode, the task has been moved in progress section. We can also move it to the completed section. The next page is the resource page. In resource page, all the available resources are shown here. You can also add new resource by clicking this button. Here there are four fields: resource ID, name, type, and experience. Resource ID I will give name of the resource, type of the resource, that is manager or developer, experience of the resource. After clicking add resource button, the resource has been added here. All the details of the resource are shown here. The next last page, that is reports page. In this reports page, there is a project timeline in which the projects are shown according to their dates. The second we have is the line chart representing tasks according to their status and according to the priority. We also have a pie chart representing the task according to their status. How many tasks are in pending, in progress, and completed. Here in progress there are two tasks, in pending there are two, and in completed there is one task. Now I will show you the available I data structures that I have created for this applications. Total I have used three data structure: projects, task, resources. The first project, there are following fields. There is project number, which is of type number; project name, which is of type text; project start date, project end date, which are of type date; project priority; project manager; project value, which is of type number; project description, which is of type text. The another data structure we have is the task data structure. The task in the task data structure, following fields are used: task, which is of type text; type, which is of also type text; priority, duration in date; plan start, plan end, plan actual start, actual end, which these four are of the type date; unit, which is of type text; task owner; project status, remarks. And the last data structure we have is the resource data structure. In resource data structure, there are only four fields. The first is the name, which is of type text. The second is the post, which is of type text; experience, which is of type number; and last, resource ID, which is also of type number. Now I will show you the UI elements that I have used for creating this project management application. In the dashboard page, I have used a bar chart for the displaying the project according to the value, and a table to represent the recent task. Second, in project page, I have used the table to show all the available projects, and a button that is used to create a new project. I've used a form to get all the details for the new projects. Now in task page, I have used a nav tabs to create tabs. I have created three tabs: list, Kanban, and calendar. In list, I have used table to show all the available tasks. In Kanban, I have used a Kanban UI element to show all the tasks according to their status. And in calendar, I have used a calendar UI element to show all the tasks according to the dates. Now in resource page, I have used table to show all the resource available, and a button. Button is to add a new resource. And in this form, I've used a flexi form to get the details of the new resource. The last page, the reports page, I have used a Gantt chart to create a project timeline, line charts for task status and priority, and a pie chart UI element. Thank you.